Am I the only one that didn't know tomatoes and basil are BFFs? This is going to blow your mind. Companion planting is like matchmaking for your garden. Certain plants just grow better together. Take tomatoes and basil, for example. Plant them side by side and watch your tomatoes thrive, thanks to basil repelling pests like aphids and mosquitoes. And it's not just about tomatoes. Marigolds can ward off nematodes, while beans can boost soil nitrogen for corn. These plant partnerships help reduce pests and improve growth naturally. We're sharing these tips with our community through workshops at 360 Albany, teaching locals to grow food at home and foster sustainability. Want to learn more? Visit us at 801W Highland Ave, Albany, GA, or call us at 229-800-1360 for gardening classes and advice. Happy planting!